in this video, we are going to see problems based on unit digit calculation. This will be a very useful section to solve problems in bank exams as well as in SSC CGL exams. Let's start with the concept unit digit first. What do you mean by unit digit? Unit digit is nothing but the ones place, or we can say the last digit from the right hand side of any number. Let's write 234 to the power 116. So I want to calculate unit digit of this particular number, which means what? I want to calculate the last digit of this expression, or the ones digit of this expression is called unit digit. How to calculate that? In any unit digit problem, the unit digit of the given number is enough to calculate the answer. I repeat, in any unit digit problem, the unit digit of the given number. What is the given number here? 234. What is unit digit? 4. So, we just want to know 4 power 116, what will be the last digit. So, for this we are going to use a method called cyclicity. Okay? And you can see the last number is 4 here. So, usually the last numbers can be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 up to 9 is possible. So, we are going to see a general answer for all those single digit number, and then we will solve any problem within few seconds, maximum 10 seconds. Anybody can solve unit digit after watching this video. Let's start with the basics. As we all know, if the last digit of the number is 0, then obviously always answer is going to be 0. Similarly, if the last digit is 1, then always answer is going to be 1. And this will holds good for last digit is 5, means always answer will be 5. And last digit is 6 also, the answer is always going to be 6. So, these 4 numbers are very easy to calculate. What I mean by this mean? Suppose if the number is 130 to the power 2020, then the unit digit of this particular answer will be 0. Similarly, if the number is 566 to the power 1947, what is the last digit here? 6. Whatever may be the power, we no need to worry. If the last number is 6 or 5 or 1 or 0, the answer will repeat again the same. It will be 6. Same goes for 5 also. 155 to the power 203. Let's say like this. Then obviously the last digit, that is unit digit, will be 5 for this problem also. And same goes for 1. 221 to the power 122. What is the last digit here? 1. Therefore, the answer will be always 1. So, these 4 numbers are easy for us to calculate. Hope it is clear. You can even pause this video here and write this example and make sure it is clear in your mind. 0, 1, 5, 6. If any one of the number becomes our last digit, then the answer will repeat the same digit. Okay? Let's see further. Two more numbers are there, nothing but 4 and 9. What is 4 to the power 1? Which is equal to 4. What is 4 to the power 2? Which is 16. What is the last number here? 4. What is the last number here? 6. So these two are the cyclicity for last number 4. That is, if always 4 power odd comes, the answer is 4. And always 4 power even comes, the answer is 6. Always 4 power odd will give you 4 as a unit digit, and 4 power even will give you 6 as a unit digit. Similarly, 9 power 1 equal to 9. 9 power 2 is equal to 81. What is the last number? 1. So, always 9 to the power odd number will give you 9 as the last digit, and 9 to the power even number will give you 1 as the last digit. So, I repeat, 4 to the power odd number will give you 4 as the last digit. 4 to the power even number will give you 6 as the last digit. Similarly, 9 to the power odd number will give you 9 as the unit digit. 9 to the power even number will give you 1 as the even digit. So far we have seen 6 numbers answer, that is 0 over 1, 5, 6. First category over. Now 4 and 9 over. Now remaining are 2, 3, 7, 8. Let's see the cyclicity for those numbers also. 7, 8. Only these 4 numbers are left out. 2 to the power 1 is nothing but 2. 2 to the power 2 is nothing but 4. 2 to the power 3 is nothing but 8. 2 to the power 4 is nothing but 16. What is 2 power 5? 32. Which means again 2 will repeat. So for 2, 4, 8 and 6 are the cyclicity of unit digits. I repeat, for 2, 4, 8, 6. Similarly, for all these 3 numbers also, we have 4 cyclicity method. That is, for 3 power 1, it is 3. For 3 power 2, it is 9. For 3 power 3, it is actually 27. For 3 power 4, it is actually 81. So, it is nothing but 3, 9, 7, 1. Similarly, for 7 power 1, it is 7. 7 power 2, it is 49. 7 power 3, it is 343. 7 power 4, it is actually 2401. And the unit digits are 7, 9, 3, 1. Is it clear? The last number, 8 to the power 1, which is 8. 8 to the power 2, which is 64. The last number is 4. 8 to the power 3, which is 512. The last number is 2. 8 to the power 4, which is nothing but 64 ka square. 64 ka square is 4096. So the last number is 6. Now, we no need to write the values also for all the number. We have a special method or a special idea to understand all these unit digits in a fraction of second. Nothing but for 2 to the power 1 cycle, if you see, first 2 numbers are easy to write. 2 and then 4. Next 2 numbers are very easy to write. 2 plus what number will be 10? Correct. 2 plus 8. So it is 8. 4 plus what number will be 10? It is 6. This is the cyclicity of 2. 2, 4, 8, 6. Similarly for 3. 3 power 1 is 3 we know. And 3 power 2 is 9. Now what should be added to 3 to get 10? 7. What should be added to 9 to get 10? 1. This is the cyclicity of 3. The same goes for other 2 also. 7 to the power 1, 7 we know. 7 to the power 2, 49, that is 9 last number. Now what should be added to 7 to get 10? 3. What should be added to 9 to get 10? 1. This is the cyclicity of 7. The last one, cyclicity of 8. 8 to the power 1, 8 we know. 8 to the power 2, 64 we know 4. Now what should be added to 8 to get 10? Yes, it is 2. What should be added to 4 to get 10? It is 6. So these are the cyclicity of 2, 3, 7, 9. Sorry, 2, 3, 7, 8. Remember, a shortest way to remember all this. What is the shortest way? First 2 numbers is enough to get next 2 number. If it is 2 and 4, then obviously these 2 must be complement of these 2 to get 10. That is 2 plus 8 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10. So if you know the first 2, next 2 is a consequence from the first and second. I hope you are clear with all this cyclicity so far. We have seen 0, 1, 5, 6 in the beginning, which will not change unit digit. 4 and 9, only 2 cyclicity. For 2, 3, 7, 8, we have 4 cyclicity. So pause the video here and then you can note down these steps. Now we are going to solve few problems in unit digit to know how quickly we can use this to get the answer. Each problem can be done in 10 seconds. Okay? Let's see the problems now. You can see a problem here. 238 to the power 117, 114 to the power 206 plus 2019 power 198. So these are the problems that are nowadays very frequently available in SSC exam as well as bank exams. Okay. So to solve this problem, we should know one more thing, that is Bode-Morse rule. Here is the multiplication given, here is addition given. Which one we should do first? Yes, we have to do multiply first and then only addition. So you should get the answer for this and answer for this. Multiply them, again take the unit digit and take the unit digit from this. So the actual question is, find the unit digit of this expression. Very few times they ask only single digit number, that is 238 to the power 117, single element numbers. Now they are asking combination like this only. Okay, now see how quick we can answer this. Within few seconds we get the answer. What is the last number? 8. So first step, take 8, write the power 117. What is unit digit? 4 to the power 206. What is unit digit? 9 to the power 198. So for 4 and 9, easy to apply a cycle. 9 power, even number. So answer is 1. 4 power, even number. What is the cycle for 4 power? 4 power odd, 4. 4 power even, 6. So it is 6. It is 1. Now only for 8 we have to apply cyclicity method. For 8 how much cyclicity? 4 cyclicity. What are the cycles? 8, 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. Therefore 2 will be here. 4 plus 6, 10. Therefore 6 will be here. This is a cycle of 8. Since the cyclicity of 8 is 4, divide this power by 4, take the remainder. Divide this power by 4, take the remainder. Suppose if the given power is exact multiple of 4, then fourth step is our answer. Suppose if the given power is exact multiple of 4, then fourth step is our answer, which is 6 here. Divide this 117 by 4. In 11, 2 times 8, 37, 9 times 36, remaining 1. When the remainder is 1 means first step is answer. Suppose the remainder is 2 means second step is answer. The remainder 3 means third step. If it is exact multiple of 4, then fourth step. So what is the answer now? 8 to the power 1, because remainder 1, so it is 8. So now apply the Bode-Morse. 8 6 are 48, so 8 plus 1. So the final answer is 9 for this problem. The unit digit of this particular expression is 9. I hope you are clear with this. We will see 1 or 2 more examples to understand this better, unit digit. Okay? Find the unit digit of 1947 to the power 1950. A single expression question. How to calculate? Immediately change the question to 7 power 1950. Because I am going to calculate unit digit. Just give me unit digit. What is cycle for 7? 7. 7 square 49. 9. Next two steps are 7 plus 3 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So cyclicity of 7 is 7931. How many cycles? 4 elements in the cycle. So divide the power by 4. What is the remainder? 19 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 35 by 4. 8 4s are 32. 30 by 4. 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2. Remainder 2 means second step is answer. So unit digit of this particular problem is 9. 1947 to the power 1950, the unit digit is 9. Let's see one more example. Find the unit digit of 2003 to the power 2020 into 1991 to the power 2001. So what is the last digit here? Correct, 3. So we can write this as 3 power 2020. What is the last digit? 1. If the last number is 1, always answer is 1. So we can directly write the answer for this 1. For 3, what is the cycle for 3? 3, 3 square 9. Next two steps are 3 plus what number is 10? 3 plus 7. 9 plus what number is 10? 9 plus 1. So it is 3971. So divide the power by 4. Yes. 2020 is an exact multiple of 4, which means it is completely divisible, no remainder. Therefore, take the last step. Number is exactly divisible by 4. So, the cyclicity of the 3 will be last answer. So what is the last answer here? 1. So you should take 1 into 1. So final answer is 1. So unit digit of this expression will be 1. I'm sure you are clear with unit digit now. This is a way to calculate unit digit in banking exams, SSCGL and any competitive examination. I hope you like this video. So kindly subscribe to our channel and promote our channel to your friends and family circle and wherever required and possible. Thank you all.